It's been a couple months since I put this little rug garden together. So we're going to go ahead and lift it up and see what's underneath. And I'm going to move some strawberry plants over here and start a new strawberry patch because I think mine are a little too tightly packed. They're not able to get enough sun. So let's open this up and see what's underneath. There's no more grass here. This is the best, okay? So if you haven't seen my other videos, it's just pitchfork the ground to loosen it just a little bit, throw down some compost, and then some cardboard, and then a rug, and let it set for a few months, and then you have this perfectly good to go soil. So I'm Alright, so here's a strawberry plant that is in between two that are putting out strawberries. This one is not putting out any berries right now, so I'm going to go ahead and take this one over to the new spot. It's already starting to set down roots here. And of course I can't find my spade, so I'm the ultimate guide to what to do if you don't have proper tools. So I'm just going to give the ground a little loosening here with my broken pitchfork, and I'm just gonna gently lift this plant right out. I'll be as gentle as I can. There we go. We'll take that one. Oh my god, giant spider right on the top with the spider eggs. Get on out of here. Just gonna put this one right here. These are all runners, but I'm not going to let all of these run because that's just too many. So I'm going to pinch off some of these. So I've been trying to find the ones that don't have berries on them, but I accidentally got one that had a berry on it. So it's okay. I think it'll be fine. Awesome. So the ones I put in have little berries. You can take my glove.
Oh, okay, okay.
But these are young plants. This is the biggest one here. These other ones are young but still have berries, so yeah. You can totally share your strawberry plants with your friends too, right?
And your family. Yeah.
Share with your family?
Of course.
Okay. Alright, so that was pretty quick. I hope it's not too hot for these berries today. It's only supposed to get up to 80. But now I'm going to show you really quick how I'm going to continue this. I promise it's really easy and fast. And this is the grass that we're going to cover right there. So I went and got some compost just from my little compost pile. I've got some cardboard from the last time and a few extra pieces from inside and a pitchfork. And that's all you need. So watch and learn how easy it is to turn grass to garden. So just aerating the soil so the worms have a nice little pathway up to this compost that I'm putting down. Compost. If you don't have compost, Throw some food scraps under there. Doesn't have to be compost. It can just be like 2 days worth of vegetable scraps and fruit scraps from your kitchen. Just throw them in there and they'll decompose. The worms will come up and take care of that for you. That looks ugly right now, but don't you worry, we're going to cover it right up. If you think the rug looks ugly, you can just cover your rug with, you know, some pine straw or something. But there you go. Now all you need is a little patience. Hope you have some patience. This will be ready for a fall garden though, for sure. About 2 months time, we'll be good to go. How long did that take me? I'll have to time myself. I just threw that other rug at the end there. I didn't even put anything under it. But that was just to keep the grass from growing onto my strawberry bed here. So yeah, let it sit and you'll have another grass to garden. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you're having an awesome day. I hope you feel inspired. You don't need money. You don't need money to have a garden, I promise. Take it from me. All right, happy growing. Bye. All right, so is it easy to grow things?
Of course. You just make a row, dig it up, and put a slate in. Then sleep a lot of nights, then it'll grow.